Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of the Canning Nana. So I am home after being away for about 12 days or so. And I just want to show you guys how the garden has fared with me gone. And oh my goodness, we have so many strawberries coming in. Hope you guys can see these. They are amazing. That one right there needs to be picked. We have a couple over here and all of these right here. There's two in there. Two right here becoming red. There are so many on the plant that are going to be ripe. They look amazing. Um, it's just incredible how they're doing. Just incredible. There's so many on here. So here is my other one. These are the bare root, and they're doing really good. Look at this. They are producing runners, and lots of them. So we have all of these. These are the Sequoia and the Albion, or the Chandler, I'm sorry. The other ones are Albion. And then over here, I have some lettuce and Thai basil in the middle. And then I'm going to take you to the garden, let you see that. Okay, so here we have the 8-ball zucchini that I planted. There are 4 plants right here. And then another 2, and I'll show you those in a minute. But here are my tomatoes. This is the bush that had all of those buds on them. It still continues to bud. I need to pick tomatoes. There's, oh my gosh, I think I counted about 55 tomatoes. Excuse me, the tomatoes this morning. So I do need to pick those. My rosemary is doing absolutely amazing. I'm going to be making a rosemary chicken stock tomorrow. Take you guys along for the ride. This is our little loquat tree. We have some plants here. Got my beans over there all the way down. My other 2 8-ball zucchini right there. And look at this, you guys. Look at the tomatillos. Oh my goodness. So I've never grown these before. We have several coming out that are going to be tomatillos very, very shortly. This one is the smallest of the plants, but it has the most buds. It's just crazy. So here is my tomato plant that was a volunteer. Still not sure of the kind of tomato. I'm guessing it's a cherry tomato though. So let's see. Come over here. I do have a lot of weeding and cleaning to do here, but my eggplant that's in there is doing really well. Don't know where my other eggplants went. There were a couple in here before I left. There's some buds there. You can see all the beans here, all the way down. And look at the peas, look amazing. Just beautiful. My asparagus, and there's some beets right there, but asparagus are coming along really well. I have 3 asparagus. I'm not sure what happened. I had another asparagus right here coming through. Not sure what happened. I do have another couple to plant, so we're gonna have to do that pretty soon. And then I have all of these are my pepper plants, and these are Anaheim peppers, and they've grown quite a bit. This is a serrano pepper that has a lot of peppers on it. This is last year's pepper plant. So let's go over here by the tomatoes. Oh my goodness. You guys remember how little these were, right? So here is the, what is this one? Parks Whopper tomato. This one is the mortgage lifter. It doesn't look too great, but I will be fixing that in the next few days. There's another one right there. I can't get back there right now. I don't have shoes on, but it's grown probably about 6 inches. I think they all have. And those 4 over there are my San Marzanos. These are my cucumbers. I have to pick those bottom leaves off the cucumber. It looks like they're getting a little bit too much water. And then all of these tomatoes here, my Sun Gold tomatoes. There's another one in here somewhere. There's just tons of tomatoes. Oh, there it is. I have to pick this. Whoops. There we go. Sun Gold tomato. There are several down there. And there's also an eggplant plant right here. And then my giant onion that is now blooming with seeds. I'm going to be cutting this off and saving the seeds for this one. These are my black cherry tomatoes. You can see one of the other ones fell, so I'm going to be harvesting the seeds from this one. There are a ton of black cherry tomatoes. I'm just going to pick the tomatoes tomorrow. Just want to be out here and show you guys this real quick. This is my Sun Gold tomato that has grown probably 12 inches since I've been gone. It's just incredible. I have to take off all of these. Oh, didn't even notice that. It's got tomatoes on it, you guys. Didn't have that when I left. So here are my Tequila Sunrise peppers. They're doing amazing. Just beautiful. And I planted some lettuce in here as well. So I'm probably going to be picking that fairly soon. A little bit of it at a time. Let's go show you the lemon tree. Okay, so here we are at the lemon tree. Right here, you can see this one didn't quite get enough water while we were gone. I did have somebody watching the garden for me and watering and everything. We did have a lot of wind while we were gone, so I think this just dried out a little bit, but I've got to feed all of my plants in the next couple days here. These are my butternut squash. So, and these have like tripled in size. Okay. So, just a quick update on my garden and especially on the tomatoes. This is so nice to come home to, is all these beautiful strawberries, not tomatoes. I'm still adjusting to the time, and I'm a little bit tired, you guys. Lots going on. So, stay tuned for more. Like I said, tomorrow is going to be a chicken stock. I'm going to be making chicken and dumplings. And that'll be really cool. And you guys will be coming along for that. And if you have any questions or want to know something that you want to grow or you want to see canned, please let me know. I'm going to start up canning again real soon. I do have some sweet potatoes to can and lots of fruits. I'm going to show you guys some stuff to do with. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And if you like what you see, there's lots more updates coming on, and I will see you soon.